Hi, so I have received this packet yesterday. Didn't got the time to open it. So today I will open it. So as you can see, it is not yet open, not tampered from anywhere. So I'll just open it now. I ordered 750-watt power supply from Antec. So last time I got the incorrect product. That's why I want to confirm. Okay, so this is Antec True Power 750 watt. Yes, this is the product I ordered. Finally I got the right product. The packing doesn't look so good, but it's okay. Let me just open it to confirm that even inside the box I got the same item, because you never know. And this packing is a bit loosey, which makes me a bit worried. Okay, Antec 750. Good. So this is the correct product. So thank you.